We thank you for eTwinning because it has connected us with different cultures. Because it provides an environment for us to improve our foreign language skills through.
Because it provides opportunities for us to develop our skills.
Because it empowers educators and serves as a source of inspiration.
Because it enables us to participate in creative projects.
Because it allows us to meet different people.
Because it offers opportunities for project-based learning.
Because it facilitates the establishment of global collaborations. Because it enhances digital collaboration and teamwork skills.
Because it encourages us to familiarize ourselves with new technologies.
Because it allows us to meet different people.
Because it supports the creation of professional networks among teachers. Because it is a platform that enables us to gain new experiences. Because it empowers educators and serves as a source of inspiration.
Because it provides the opportunity for students to showcase their creativity through virtual exhibitions and events.
Because it organizes events that celebrate cultural diversity.
And we thank you for imparting digital competencies to us. Happy World eTwinning Day on May 9th.